Hi Christine, your beauty expert here. Today's video is all about liquid bronzers and how to get a bronze look in 5 minutes. I'm also going to show you my new makeup bag. This is the Mini Beauty in Aqua. It's insulated. So let's get started. So I'm going to show you this liquid bronzer. I have no makeup on right now, and what I'm doing is I'm applying one pump to the whole face basically. So I start at my cheeks and I bring it to my forehead. I go down to my nose and then along the chin, and then I just kind of lightly massage it in. And then I also apply it on the neck. So you'll see that I really get in there and get it into the hairline. And the idea of this is that I get a liquid bronzed look. I love the NARS liquid bronzer. It's in Laguna. What's nice about this is it blends in and it gives you kind of like an instant tan. And then you can wash it off at night. So I love this because I don't need as much foundation and concealer. And then wipe it off after you're done. So next what I'm using is my Victoria Beckham. It's by Estee Lauder bronzer, and it's a powder. And this one I just put all over the contoured areas of the, cheek area, forehead, the mouth area, the nose, the chin. So just applying my bronzer all over. I love this because I'm just layering bronze onto bronze and it looks natural. Next, I'm going to add a blush, and with this blush, I'm going to use the blush by NARS. This one's nice because it actually just gives that peachy glow with a little bit of sheen. And I just place it at the apples of the cheek, so up in the front part of the cheek area. Okay, now I'm going to touch up with concealer. As you all know, this is my favorite concealer by L'Oreal, and it's in peach, and I just kind of touch up my dark circles, dark spots everywhere throughout the face, and it actually highlights the face as well. And this one I just keep with me handy. I keep it in my makeup bag throughout the day, so I have two, one for my makeup bag at home, and then one that I keep with me on the go. Next, I'm going to use an eyeshadow base, and this is by NARS. I like this eyeshadow base because it's not too drying for the eye area, and I place it along the top of my eye, underneath, and then I just kind of blend it in with my fingertips. Now I'm going to add a little bit of what's left over from my brush of my bronzer onto my eyes, just the crease of the eyes, and then I flip it over to the blush part, and I'll place that on my eyes as well, just for a little color at the eye area. All right, now we're going to add a little bit of contour to the eyes. This one is an Estee Lauder eyeshadow, and it's just a matte like sable, and I like this because it just gives a little bit more depth and contour into the crease, the natural crease of my eye, and it's not too much shimmer, it's just matte. So it's my favorite everyday eyeshadow. So now we're going to use my Sephora waterproof eyeliner pencil, and this one's great because I can use it in the wet line, and then I actually do it underneath. You can kind of see how I place it in the wet line right by that root of the eyelash, and then you can also see I'm going to place a little underneath the eye as well. I like to blend it in and just kind of smudge it out a little so that way it doesn't smudge on its own. It's kind of like I meant to smudge it. And then now I'm going to curl my eyelashes, and curling my eyelashes, it's just the regular couple of pumps to my eyelashes, and I'm using the Bobbi Brown eyelash curler. All right, and then final touches on that lash curling. I have to get it right, so I usually do about 3 sets of 3 curling. And then I'm going to use my waterproof L'Oreal Butterfly Voluminous Mascara. And this one's like almost toward the end of the tube for me, but I love it because the drier it is, the easier it is to get on my lashes. And I just place it into the root of my lashes to the edges. And then now I'm going to just kind of lightly buff out all of my makeup with my foundation brush. And then we're going to add a little bit of a lip treatment. It's a gel lip treatment. I love this because it doesn't feel heavy. So in my mini beauty bag, I like to keep 2 items with me. First is the concealer, and then second is my lip treatment. These are my must-have touch-up items throughout the day. Subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching my double bronzing video in 5 minutes. And yeah, I'm Christine, your beauty expert. You have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Check out my other videos while you're here too. I mean, I'll link one right now, and you can just click on and check it out. Have a great one.